This is my progress in 2 months of cubing. My average is 28 by now and PB 16 seconds. And here is a quick roadmap to become sub 30 on 3x3. So first is fundamentals. You need to learn CFOP, which stands for cross, F2L, OLL, and PLL. So at the beginning you should learn how to make cross on the bottom. Normally you do it on the top and then flip the cube upside down. Also you need to quickly find cross pieces. I'd recommend watching JPerm's video about that. For F2L you should use intuitive F2L, which is better than F2L from beginner method. Check JPerm's video about that. Then is OLL, but OLL has 57 algorithms, so I'd recommend to use 2-loc OLL, which is basically first algorithm to make top cross and another algorithm is to make everything on top. And the final step is PLL, so like OLL, we'll use 2-loc PLL. And the hardware is also helpful for solves because this has no magnets. And like I can't even turn it. Oh my gosh. And this here is magnets in core and here, and it is customizable. This is Tornado V3. To become faster in cubing, you need to learn finger tricks. So here is T-perm without finger tricks. And here is a T-perm with finger tricks. And the most helpful method is to learn new stuff and practice. So even if you learn full 2-loc OLL, you can start to learn full PLL or something like that. For practice is good when you have free time and you just want to watch TikTok or something, and you can just make solves in cubing. That is a lot helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found something helpful. So good luck in your new year and in your cubing journey. Bye bye.